Hello and welcome back to the iPhone 3G. This was my first phone. No, it's not my first phone, it's my brother's first phone. It has no battery because I took it out. It was really puffed out, and the back is, I don't know, it's really hard, and the screen is just, I don't know, kind of showing a little dent. But now it's gone because the battery is saved from this thing. And I got a new battery, which is this. Is it really a battery for the iPhone 3G? Oh, it does. 3000 milliamp hour. So we got this iPhone. Let's open it up. And as you might tell, that I have a new mat, so I can be PRG now, also known as phone repair guru. And then I have this. Okay, let's just put this thing on here, just like so. The crazy thing about this iPhone is that it didn't have proprietary screws. Am I saying it right? Fasten the camera and just eject the SIM, whatever the thing is. There's no 3G network. Oh, and this connector too. I forgot. Alright, it's off. Oh, what the hell is this? Move, connector, move. Get out of the way. Okay. Now we can install this. Let's see. Did I bought the wrong battery? Okay, I didn't bought the wrong battery. You know, we're just gonna screw this in. Okay, that touch. I guess this one is an ambient sensor, but yeah, sure, whatever. All right, it's in. Okay, moment of truth. Piston around. Oh no, come on. Do I really need to charge this? Well, I do really need to charge this. Here we go. Does it turn us on? Did it turn on? No. Yeah, I think I plugged in the screen wrong. Oh my god. No screen refresh. Good. Still showing an Apple logo. Okay, it's gone. Doesn't turn on. It doesn't turn on. What the heck, man? Okay. Yeah, it's charging. And if I unplug it, it's so the thing is, this battery connector, so the thing is, this battery connector is really fragile. So you look at that. Yeah, it's just really fragile, and I broke it the first time. This battery is dead anyway, and I broke it the second time, but I'm able to fix it because the battery connector on that thing is not as goofy as this, you know, like, yeah, I tore off like 4 or 3 connector on them, but this I only broke off one connector, so I am able to fix this thing up, so thank god. Well, oh, it turns on. Oh my god, there's a passcode. What the hell? But hey, we got cat right here, bro. We got a car. Look at this. Cool car. I have this. Yeah, let's go. As I said, it's my birthday. Got that thing too. Yeah, goodbye this thing, I guess. Cool car. iPhone's connector recovery mode. Well, Let's just click go flash. Wait, what? I have it downloaded? What the hell? It's open. Why do I have open folder? Okay. Where is it? Where is it? No. Oh shit. Okay, import. Downloads. This one. Okay, flash. Oh wait. Returns flash. Anti-recovery, flash. Okay, it's doing its thing, and just doing some stuff that I don't. Okay. Okay. Yippee! Look at that! What the hell is that? Oh yes, this thing has a notch. Oh, cool. Doesn't do anything. So let's go to other utilities. Attempt activation. Let's go. Successfully activated device. Hey, let's go. We have an iPhone. Let's go. This is. Oh my god, we have an iPhone. Look at that. Sync your iPhone. Yippee!